In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix slow responses from ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get right to it. Sometimes we all run into issues where ChatGPT seems a bit sluggish in responding, and it can be incredibly frustrating, especially if you're waiting for answers or assistance. Don't worry, I have a simple 4-step process that can help streamline your interactions and potentially speed things up. First, the initial step you need to take is to navigate to the specific chat where you are experiencing the slow responses. You'll want to open the chat that's been lagging and causing you some irritation. This is essential because we want to start from the source of the problem. Once you're in the chat, your next move is to type a brief, clear prompt. For instance, something like, "Can you summarize our previous conversation?" A straightforward prompt works best here. This helps to refresh the chat context and encourages a faster, clearer response. The idea is to put ChatGPT back into gear by providing it with an immediate task, one that ideally isn't too complex. After you've typed this prompt, what you want to do next is to ensure you capture the summary output from ChatGPT. Wait for the bot to respond completely, and then highlight and copy that summary. This step is crucial because you'll be using this summary in the next stage to save time and get better responses in your new chat. Now, here comes the final step. Open a new chat in ChatGPT and simply paste the summary that you just copied into the typing bar. Make sure it's all there, looking good. Then hit enter. Voila! There you go. You've effectively moved your discussion to a fresh chat where hopefully the responses will be much quicker. To recap, first, navigate to the problematic chat, then type a concise prompt to prompt ChatGPT into action. Afterward, copy the summary it provides, and finally, paste that summary into a new chat. By following these steps, you're creating a streamlined conversation that can bypass any lag from the previous chat you were experiencing. And there you have it. By employing this simple procedure, you can potentially reduce lag time and enhance your conversational experience with ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. I hope this guide has improved your understanding of how to deal with slow responses. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.